Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop A2.
E6.
A. Store.
Bishop E7.
Castle's kingside.
Castle's kingside.
F. Store.
Queen C7.
King H1.
Knight C6.
Bishop A3.
Rook E8.
Bishop D3.
Knight B4.
A5.
Bishop D7.
Queen F3.
Bishop C6.
Queen G3.
Knight captures on D3.
C captures on D3.
Knight D7.
F5.
Bishop F6.
Bishop G1.
King H8.
Queen H3.
Knight E5.
Knight C2.
E captures on F5.
Knight captures on F5.
Queen D7.
Knight A8. Store.
G6.
Knight H6.
Queen captures on H3.
G captures on H3.
King G7.
Knight G. Store.
Knight captures on g4.
H captures on g4.
Bishop d7.
H3.
h5.
King g2.
H captures on g4.
H captures on g4.
Rook h8.
Knight f3.
Bishop captures on g4.
King g3.
Bishop d7.
Bishop a3.
Rook h3 check.
King g2.
Rook h5.
King g3.
Rook c8.
What a1.
Rook captures on c1.
What captures on c1.
Rook h3 check.
King g2.
Bishop g4.
Knight h2.
Rook captures on e3.
Knight captures on g4.
Rook captures on d3.
What c3.
Bishop captures on c3.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.